what's up everybody? Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV. I've got Andrew Peters behind the camera. If I'm unavailable, please ask for him. Today we're going to be looking at a treat. We just got in this beautiful 2018 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. If you guys are familiar with Leisure Travel, you know that in terms of quality, materials, build, they are really second to none. They come out of Winkler, Manitoba. They've been doing the Unity since 2009. Since then, they've introduced 6 different floor plans. So if you guys don't like this floor plan, give us a call, let us know. We'll find something that fits your needs. This one's got the beautiful white suede exterior. It is on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It's the 3500 series 1-ton chassis, V6 motor. On the outside, you're gonna notice some things like these walls. There's curved walls. I actually went to the factory a couple years ago. What they do is they make cuts in the aluminum framing and then they vacuum bond the fiberglass to it and they bend it. So it's the only manufacturer you're gonna see with these curved walls. Fiberglass curved compartment doors. Everything is streamlined. Going down the road, you got that low profile front cap. In the Murphy bed model, you have this huge vertical storage compartment, which is great for things like your golf clubs, fishing poles, or your wheel covers, anything that you need. Heated enclosed storage compartment. And just real quick, I want you to look at the back. It's a 2-piece fiberglass mask that is hand rolled. I watched little Amish women hand rolling these. It's amazing. 2 pieces, so if you ding this part, you don't have to replace the whole rear. Let's head on inside. Full length awning with an LED light strip on it. Cool thing about the Murphy bed, they put this little stairwell cover, so if you're going down the road, somebody wants to get up, go to the bathroom, go snack, whatever, they don't fall into the stepwell as you go around a corner. So Murphy bed, this was the original floor plan. Like I said, 2009 was the first year they put this out. This has been the #1 selling floor plan of all the Unity floor plans. They just introduced a new version, which is the MBL, really just a reconfiguration or redesign. So if you like this, you'll probably like the MBL as well. Gives you a little bit more storage, a little bit less bathroom space. So king size bed is a bit of a short king. There are many different configurations of this, so I'm not gonna do them all. Give us a call, we'll give you a personalized video if you'd like that, but your dinette folds down. These come out, you can turn them into chaise lounge, you can face each other, you can seat 4 people, a lot of different things about it. Great size galley with a flip-up counter, so lots of prep space. I love to cook, so this is a great size kitchen. Got a little place for your garbage receptacle there. 2-burner cooktop, lots of storage all throughout. I'm gonna pop up your entertainment here real quick. These do stick sometimes a little bit, and we're gonna get it. There it is. And then you got your great size fridge and freezer, convection microwave, lots of pantry storage. And the highlight, you got this big bathroom. I don't know about you, I like having a big bathroom. I like being comfortable when I'm showering, getting ready for the day. Elevated porcelain toilet, optional macerator on this as well. And then you got a good size vanity with space there and storage there. So lots to love. 2018 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. I'm Ben here at Johnson RV. Andrew Peters behind the camera. We look forward to seeing you soon and help you go camping.